Dear students, today we have to discuss about the force on a conductor carrying current in a uniform magnetic field. In a uniform magnetic field. Whenever a conductor carrying current is placed in a magnetic field and that magnetic field is uniform, then a force is exerted upon this conductor. Now we have to calculate the amount of force upon the conductor. For this, let us consider a conductor XY is placed in a uniform magnetic field of field strength is B. The cross mark shows a uniform magnetic field which is directed inward. When, as we know, a conductor contains a number of electrons upon the surface inside the conductor, etc. When an electron, that is the charged particle, moves in a magnetic field, they experience a force. कौन कर गोटे यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अच्छी बी जहाँ कि गोटे कंडक्टर रखिछ से कंडक्टर रे एक्स रु वाई आड़ को करेंट आई पास हो जाउची बर्तमान बाहर करिया ये कंडक्टर रो नेट फोर्स केते इफ dq is the small amount of charge moving from x to y with a velocity v, then the magnetic force of the charged particle is given by dF equal to dq into v cross b. Because in previous video we know magnetic force Fm equal to magnetic force Fm equal to q into v cross b. So by applying this formula, if small amount of charge is flow with a velocity v inside the conductor, then the magnetic force will be dF equal to dq into v cross b, or implies dF equal to dq into v means dl by dt. So what is dl by dt? If the charge travels through a small distance dl within time dt, then the velocity of the charged particle is given by v equal to dl by dt. So putting v equal to dl by dt, we get df equal to dq into dl by dt into b. Now dt taken outside, dq by dt dl into b. But as we know, current I equal to charge with upon time, so df equal to I into dl into b. If we get the total force acting upon whole of the conductor, then we have to integrate the above equation within proper limits, df from 0 to f and dl from 0 to l, where l is the length of the conductor. Now take I and b both are constant, take out of integration, so 0 to l dl, or implies f from 0 to f equal to I b l from 0 to l is equal to I into b cross l, or implies f equal to I ki I b cross l means bl sin theta, where theta is the angle between direction of magnetic field and the length of the conductor taken. And in magnitude, mod f equal to BIL sin theta. where B is the strength of the magnetic field, I is the amount of current flowing through the conductor, and L is the length of the conductor, and theta is the angle between B and L. Now, if the conductor is placed at a right angle to the field, then clearly theta equal to 90 degree. This is the direction of magnetic field like this, and the conductor is placed like this. So if the conductor is placed perpendicular to the direction of field, then theta equal to 90 degree. So sin 90 is your 1. So mod f equal to BIL, and it gives the maximum force upon the conductor. Similarly, if theta equal to 0 degree or 180 degree, 0 degree or 180 degree, since sin 0 equal to 0, sin 180 equal to also 0, mod f equal to 0, and it gives minimum value. Thus, no force is experienced by the current carrying conductor when its length is parallel to the lines of magnetic field, whatever may be the direction of the current. Now, we have to find out what is the direction of that force. The direction of the force can be determined by Fleming's left hand rule. So dear students, the thumb, the forefinger and the middle finger of your left hand are placed in such a way that the three fingers are perpendicular to each other. In the perpendicular. In this case, if the thumb gives the direction of a force, then the forefinger gives the direction of a field, and the middle finger gives the direction of current. This is your force, this is your field, this is your current. Middle finger is current, middle finger is a current. इनसे यदि हम रखिया तीनटा गांगुटी बुझिपाल बोले ये कौन होची इन यदि हम रखिया थंब द थंब गिव्स फोर्स फोर फिंगर फील्ड मिडिल फिंगर करंट फोर्स फील्ड करंट रिमाइंड इट नाउ an important note for you, the force on, as we know, F is equal to BIL maximum value. So the force upon a charged conductor, the force upon a charged particle moving in a magnetic field is 0 if the charge is 0. F equal to Q V sin theta पाइथिलो. If charge is 0, magnetic force will be 0. If velocity is 0, magnetic force is 0. If charge moving along the lines of force means theta equal to 0, then 0. Force is maximum, that is F equal to QVV if the charge moves at a right angle to the direction of the magnetic field, and force always acts at a right angle to the plane containing V cross B. For example, this is your velocity and this is your direction of magnetic field. E theta को perpendicular है तुम रखिए एक्ट करियो force. ये 3D फिगर टा. So mode F equal to how much? BIL sin theta, where theta is the angle between B and L, and the value of force is changes if the theta is continuously changes. This is all about your force on a conductor carrying current in a uniform magnetic field, and very important relation F equal to BIL sin theta. Thank you.